In this video, I am going to tell you about the strategy that is using with the moving averages. So guys, this strategy is very powerful and to be honest, it has very good successful results. So first of all guys, please make sure that when I upload the video on YouTube, you should watch the complete video so that you must understand the working of the indicators. So I will also tell you about the indicator that how you can download it completely for free from the trading view. But before we go to that section, please understand that how the indicator works. Okay, so basically guys, you need to use this indicator on the 1 minute time frame. You do not have to go on the 5 minute, 15 minute, 30. So please do not use this indicator on other time frames because this is specifically for the scalping purpose and especially on the 1 minute time frame. So right now you can see that I'm on the gold 1 minute chart, and guys, you know that 90% of the traders love to trade the gold. Okay, so you will get a very good chances. Like for example, look at here, the moving averages turned into the green color. That was your possible buying entry, and also it has provided you with the long arrow. Long means that you should go for the upward direction. You can take your buy positions, and even if you are doing any other form of trading like binary options and even into the crypto, then you can use this indicator because this is completely for free to use on TradingView. So guys, you can see the market has moved into the upward direction, but it continued its green line here, and here it has pointed you that I am going to be into the sell position. The moving averages were turned into the red color, and you can see a drop again. The long signal went up, and guys, you can see just we have received a long signal again on gold 1 minute, and you can see the moving averages also turned into the green color. So this is how you will use this indicator, right? Okay, now I'm going to show you that how it is performing on USDCHF. Here it is turned into the red color short here, and you can see a big drop already on USDCHF, and then here it turned into the green. Then so guys, you can set up the notifications from here, otherwise you can watch that the market, that when it turns into the green color, and you can see the market was massively into the upward direction. Again turned red, a good drop, again green. So it was not a valid trade. Again it has changed its color to red, so you can consider this as your stop loss, right? Okay, now let's move ahead towards EURUSD. You can see guys, a very good call, sell, and the market was down, buy, the market was up. And let's go to USD JPY. So if we go to USD JPY guys, you can see it is turning into the green color, and the previously it was the sell signal, the market was down. So guys, this is completely a free indicator to use on TradingView. So I will tell you that how you can download this indicator. If we go to USDCAD, so that we can see overall the ranging market was here. So guys, always please note that even I am making the videos for you, so you must please make sure that you have to avoid the ranging patterns. Like you can see that the market was just into the ranging pattern, so it's not good to trade. Always skip those pairs which are into the ranging side. Always choose the trending patterns. Like for example, Great Britain Pound JPY 1 minute, it's trending into the upward direction. That was fine, that was a downward signal, it was down. So guys, it's a very good indicator to trade, and I'm hopeful that you guys can make a very good profitable trading with it. Just keep your eye on the colors of the indicator, because everything is done by the moving averages, and the moving averages will be telling you that how you can use it. Okay, one more thing guys, I have also explained about the 1 minute trading strategy. You can add the other indicator like where I have already made the videos on the 1 minute strategy. So you can go and check my previous videos, and if you feel that there is a supporting indicator that you can use with this indicator, then it will be a completely fine option, because you will be having two confirmations. Right now I am telling you that which indicator is best overall. I think so. I have also given the review of the best indicators, and this is also one of the best indicator, no doubt, because the accuracy is really nice, because I'm showing you that how it's performing on the 1 minute time frame. Look on Great Britain Pound CAD short down, and then turned green, it was up. So guys, this is completely a nice stuff from TradingView. So guys, please make sure that do not skip such indicators which are completely free to use on TradingView, and you can get the benefit for yourself. And guys, you know that as a trader, it is your duty to achieve your financial goals, and FX Mentor will definitely help you to provide you the good knowledge so that you can achieve your financial goals. Okay, now guys, let's talk about the indicator. If you go to the indicator section here, then guys, please find Bull Trading 1 Minute Easy Scalping SYS version 3.0 by Gustavo Ruby, and it has only 1220 downloads at the moment. So guys, please go and download this indicator from TradingView and just attach it on your charts, and hopefully it will make you a better trader, because the indicators that I will tell you on my YouTube channel, they will be more than perfect from the any other channels. So please make sure that you must be subscribed to FX Mentor. And guys, one more thing, if you like my if you like this stuff, that you guys like that I'm providing you with the free indicators and providing you with the free knowledge, because in the coming days I will also be supplying you the knowledge that how you can do extremely well with the indicators. So then guys, please do not forget to press the like button and subscribe FX Mentor, and please share the videos with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.